This is Station Mendeleev requesting assistance. We've been hit by a radiation storm. Lost power. Running on backups. All research lost. Any ships in the area, please assist.
Houston, we have a problem. A radiation storm has knocked out the power to Research Station Mendeleev, stranding a team of scientists. It's up to the students to rescue them and complete their research. In Atomic Rescue, students get to work in the labs of famous scientists such as Dr. Rosalind Franklin and Dr. Martin Polyakov, as they learn about the structure of atoms, how to make chemical compounds, and how to do simple science experiments, such as testing the reactivity of alkali metals to water. As they assist Dr. Franklin, students learn about the structure of the periodic table and how elements are the building blocks of the universe. To complete the table, they'll have to find the missing elements in the raw materials they mine or create the elements from scratch. In Ahmed Suwail's lab, students discover how excited ions create colored flames by making different colored torches or glow sticks. Finally, students learn about radioactivity from Dr. Lily Hornig as they search for enough uranium to refine into fuel rods to power the rescue rocket. Once students have completed the research and powered up the rocket, the scientists head back to Earth. Students then have the choice of heading home or staying, powering up the station and exploring the planet outside. There's lots more to discover in Atomic Rescue. Read the notes on the chalkboards to find new recipes, such as how to make balloons for Dr. Amal's birthday, or have fun experimenting with elephant toothpaste. So get out your spacesuit, brush off your periodic table, and prepare to discover a strange new world with Atomic Rescue.